So the entire cryptocurrency market started the week with a decline. We see BTC falling from the area of 30,300, which it went as of Sunday, 30,300, and then fall slightly below 29,000. Was now trading at 29,100. Other altcoins, Ethereum and some other altcoins also decline as well. You shouldn't be surprised for these. Of course, this is actually in anticipation of the Fed rate hikes coming up in less than 30 hours from now. So we have the Federal Reserve meeting coming up tomorrow. Of course, the FOMC meeting minutes has been released, and then we are expecting some kind of rate hikes to come. And then there has been some kind of a selling pressure in the market. There has been selling pressure, and that is what is actually driving the market down a little bit. So we are going to see more of this tomorrow after the FOMC meeting minutes, after the rate hikes has been released. We are going to see some kind of a down move. Of course, if they're going to raise the rate, which the odd is very very high that the Fed are going to raise rate by 25 bps. Of course, it is going to happen, and then you are going to see some kind of decline in the market. So I'm here, and I will be showing you some areas in the chart whereby you should just like watch it out, and then if you see a particular coin in such an area, you can actually consider some kind of a spot buy. You are going to buy and keep. You are going to make profit from it. So the Fed rate is coming up tomorrow, so you protect yourself, protect your portfolio. I will be heading right into the chart to show you some areas whereby you can actually watch. Of course, I'm going to do that using a BTC chart, where in a situation whereby BTC pick a bounce. Of course, you expect other coins, other altcoins to follow up. BTC should go down, then pick a bounce to the upside. Other altcoins are also going to bounce to the up direction. So I will be showing you some areas in the chart whereby you're going to watch it out. So here is today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. We have a total, the global market cap right here, trading at the 1.17 trillion dollars, having a 0.22 decrease over the last day. We have seen some kind of declines. We have BTC having a 2.57% decline in the last 7 days. We have SLP here at the 8.11% decline over the last 7 days. Of course, Dogecoin right here is actually up because of what is going on with the meme coin. Of course, a high supporter, you know what is happening with Elon Musk. Is actually a lover of this meme coin, which actually we might see it in the near future. We might see those are having to accept Doge as a payment method. So we have Solana right here having been down a 7.19% in the past 7 days, with some other coins as well being down. Of course, a very little decline. We have Avalanche here, 3.97 decline in the past 7 days. So this news that is coming up after tomorrow, we might see some kind of a bounce. So we'll be heading to the chart. Let's actually see how the Bitcoin chart looks like, and some kind of areas that you can actually watch to pick your buy, guys. So guys, here is actually a BTC USDT chart, 4 hours chart. Of course, I made a video on this as of last week. It did not actually break through yet. As of then, we're actually still trading in this particular area of 30,000, 30,000. Of course, we were still trading in this particular area right here. So I actually said that if we are unable to go past this area right here, that we are going to break down, and that we actually have a high probability of breaking down in this area. So in this 4-hour chart, you can actually confirm that. You can see we have a 4-hour candle here, which actually break the 4-hour support line and then closes below the line, and then we have some kind of a ranging move right here, having go up down, and then there is a red highs coming up tomorrow. You know what that holds. So this has been broken down. We actually traded in this rectangular block for some days. We have a kind of a move to this resistance area. First time we came down again, and then we touched the second time down to this 4-hour support line. Then this is the fourth time right here. We came back down here, and then this is the breakthrough right at the downside. So I'll be showing you on the daily chart area where you can actually watch out to pick your spot buy. I'm talking about a spot buy if you don't know how to actually trade the futures markets. So I'll be showing you where you can actually pick your spot buy. Of course, a safe area that you can pick your spot buy, some kind of areas that is going to hold on the chart. So let's look at the daily chart and see what we have right there on the daily charts. So guys, here is a daily chart BTC USDT after trading at the 30,000 and 31,800 for quite some weeks, about 4 weeks. Of course, actually close to a month. We actually see a breakdown. You can see the breakdown candle right here. You can see this breakdown candle, this red candle that came down here, then closes below the support line, the 4-hour support line right here, and then there's another one that has opened now, which is actually going to come down. Of course, it is going to come down. We have an area right here, a trend line area, a trend line, which is, this was actually a resistance line which was broken some days ago. We have the first test in this area, and then we got the second test, the third one, and the fourth one got broken. And then we have this nice move right here that happens last month. So with this particular trend line right here, there is a high probability that if this area of 27,000, let's call it 27,000, does not hold, or 28 does not hold, we are going to come back to this particular trend line. We have the previous low here right at 25,000, slightly below 25,000, 24,800. If this area does not hold, there is a high probability that we are going to hold on this trend line or at the previous low. So we are going to watch out for this, and then if it actually take a step into this area, you want to pick your buy, and then you wait for a rebound. So guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get content just like this one each time I release them, guys. I will be bringing the news tomorrow right here in my channel. Whatever happens, come back to the channel tomorrow, you check, and then you're going to get the news right here in my channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys.